What's up, guys? So basically, I have done 10 storm chests, and this is what I have gotten from them. It was 10 power level 70 Canny Valley storm chests. So I will be going over them with you today and showing you what they are and telling you if they're really worth it. Okay, so first off, we've got a 94 Jackal made out of obsidian. We've got a 64 Trooper, a 65 Trooper, both made out of malachite, 94 Thumper made of obsidian, an 80 Blooper made of obsidian, we got a 79 Templar, Shadow Shard, we've got a 56 Malachite, Grenade Launcher, we got an 80 Night Lance Shadow Shard, we got an Obsidian 80 Raptor. We also got a 23 Semi-Auto Handgun, we got a 41 Scalpel, we got a 43 Bolt Slinger, and we got 45 Automatic Sniper Rifle, and a 44 Deal Maker. So those are all the guns that we got. Now let's move on to the materials. The main basic materials that everybody is looking forward to. So we've got 10 obsidian, we've got 14 sleek mechanical parts, 56 malachite, and 21 shadow shard. These are all storm chests with materials and everything, and once I recycle all the guns, I will let you know the exact amount, so I will see you then. Okay, so after recycling all of the things, we now wound up with 18 obsidian, 59 sleek mechanical parts, 82 malachite, and 27 shadow shard crystal. So this is a really good way, storm chests are a really good way for you to get a lot of good loot within a certain amount of time. And for me to do one of these storm chests, it took about 5 minutes to do the storm chest and then mess around afterward. So this is probably one of the best ways for you and your friends to get tons of resources and fast. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.